For today, let's start with the next command, that is head. This is one of my favorite command. When you have a bigger file, I mean some file with about crores of lines, and you would like to know what is the format of the file, what content is there in that file. We can't open it with any editor or we can't open it with a notepad. Then this command gives us a helping hand. That particular command is head. Before that, let's see what files are present in this folder. Now I would like to use this command on story.txt file. So I would like to see what is the content which is present in this particular file. So I can just give head and the file name. It gives me the first 10 lines of the file. Now, if I want to see only the first 2 lines of the file, this is the option I give. Head -n2 and the file name. It gives me only the 2 lines. If I just want to see first line of the file, I give head -n1 followed by the file name. If I want to see the first 20 lines of the file, I just give it as 20. Now, if head gives the first few lines of the file, then tail gives me the last lines of the file. So, the tail command gives me the last 10 lines of the file. Now, if I want to see the last 2 lines of the file, I have to just give tail -n2. Here, technically there are 2 lines. One is an empty line and other one is a line with the text. Even an empty line is a line. So, here we have 2 lines. For example, I would like to see a line which is the 50th line of the file. I just want to print only the 50th line of the file. So, how do I do? So, the first step is head -n50 story.txt. It gives me the first 50 lines. Now, the result of this command can be piped to an other command of the Linux to get the result what you have desired for. For example, the output of the head command is sent to the tail command and I need the 50th line. This is my 50th line. To just see this line, I give tail -n1. Now, you have extracted the first 50 lines and then printed only the last line. That is the 50th line. So, this is how you send an output of one command to another command in Linux using pipe. Bye bye.